Hi friends, and welcome to Yoga with Rachel. Today's practice is all about connecting to our breath, which can be such a powerful tool. In today's practice, we will be focusing in on alternate nostril breathing. This is actually one of my favorite go-tos whenever I have a headache or when I am feeling anxious. It is also a really great breath technique for calming down the nervous system and for reducing brain fog and fatigue. It can also give us that extra boost that we are looking for. In terms of items, feel free to bring along with you a blanket or a pillow. Alrighty, let's breathe. Okie doke friends, so find a comfortable seat of your choice. You can join me in a cross-legged position, sitting up on your blanket or the pillow that you brought with you to the practice. You can also do this on a couch as well as a chair, so lots of different options there. Let's sit up a little bit taller by rocking our pelvis forward, creating length in our back body, looping our shoulders, opening on up through the chest, tucking in the chin slightly, creating length in the back of our neck. We can also visualize that there is a string that is attached to the crown of our head that is encouraging us to sit up a little bit taller here. So sitting up a little bit taller just allows the oxygen to move around more freely throughout our body. Just allow your hands to just fall wherever it feels most natural. Feel free to close your eyes or even maintain a soft gaze here. Let's breathe in through our nose and then out through the nose. 2 more times, breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Great. Open your eyes if they were closed. So alternate nostril breathing. Let's curl our 2 fingers in, our index finger as well as our middle finger, leaving the thumb, the ring finger, as well as the pinky out. If this is a little bit too challenging to curl those fingers in, you can always just guide those fingers in as well. Or there's another option to curl the 3 fingers in. So the index finger, middle finger, as well as the ring finger, leaving the thumb and the pinky out, kind of like a little hang loose sign. Okay, so I am doing this with my right hand. For my left-handed friends out there, I will be showing you how to do this in just 1 second, so just bear with me. All right, so let's bring our thumb to our right nostril, plugging that right nostril as we breathe in through the left. Hold the breath at the top, switch, bring your ring finger to your left nostril, seal it on up, and then breathing on out through the right nostril. Keeping the ring finger there, plugging that nose, that nostril, breathe in through your right. Pause, hold and retain the breath at the top, switch, taking now your thumb to your right nostril, plug the right, and breathe out through the left. Breathe in through the left. Hold the breath, switch. Ring finger covers the left nostril now as we breathe on out through the right side. Keeping that ring finger covering that left nostril, we take a breath in through the right. Holding that breath, and then we switch. Breathing on out through the left nostril now. Okay, alternate nostril breathing. So we're alternating between the nostrils, taking breath into each one. Now for my left-handed friends, the exact same action here, but just the thumb covers the left nostril as we breathe in through the right. Still holding that breath, switch, and then the ring finger now covers the right nostril as we breathe on out through the left. Keeping that ring finger covering the right nostril, we breathe on in through the left side. Holding the breath at the top, and we switch. Thumb now covers that left nostril as we breathe on out through the right side. and then you keep on switching. Little yoga for the brain as well. Okay, so now permission for you to take it away, carry it away, going at your own pace. And if you find that you're getting bored or you're like wanting to move on to the next thing, I encourage you to perhaps even come up with a mantra. For example, breathing in some love and then breathing out love, and just keep on repeating that to yourself. Or perhaps you can just play around with trying to lengthen your breath or create more smoother breath. So just some things to experiment and play around with. All right, let's do it. Two more rounds. Drop both hands to your lap. Breathe in through both nostrils now, and out through the nose. If your eyes were closed, you can open them up. Notice how you feel. I definitely feel lighter, more energized, a little bit more calm as well. But of course, all of our experiences on our mat are unique. They're different. So you may not be feeling those that way, and that's perfectly fine. So perhaps you tell me how you felt in the comment section in YouTube. All right, let's just draw some circles with our nose here. Just working out any kinks in our neck, any stiffness. And then reverse the circle. Keep on breathing. Great. Bring your head back on over your heart. Let's now inhale as we send our shoulders up towards our ears, and then exhale to drop the shoulders. Inhale, shoulders lift. Exhale to drop. Inhale, lift. Exhale, drop. Inhale, lift. And exhale to drop. Great work. Now let's take some circular motions with our torso here. As we breathe in, we send our heart center forward out in front of us, and on an exhale, we round through, chin towards the chest. Keep it on up, going at your own pace. Reverse that circle, just encouraging the energy to flow, continue to flow around in the body. Great. Coming back to center, right hand to left knee. Let's find a little twist here by swimming our left fingertips back and behind us. Look past your left shoulder and just find a nodding action with your head. Great. Come back to center, take it on over to the other side. Left hand on right kneecap. Looking past now your right shoulder as we find that little nodding action over here. Great, back to center, and now find any movement that your body is craving right here, right now. All right, let's do it. Amazing, and when you feel happy, come back to center and find some stillness. Alrighty, well I really hope that you enjoyed today's practice. I definitely recommend doing alternate nostril breathing for at least 3 minutes. However, you can do it longer than that. Listen to your body, listen to what it is telling you. If you haven't done so already, kindly subscribe to Yoga with Rachel, as it is the best way to support free yoga content for all. Ring that notification bell to be notified of new video uploads to the channel. Hit that like button if you enjoyed today's practice, and please share this video with someone that you believe would benefit from exploring this breath technique. Comments and questions always welcomed and encouraged. Thank you so very much. Take care, everyone, and bye for now.